How to change accents in ElevenLabs. All right, so all you need to do is just log into your ElevenLabs account and then head over to the voices menu. So click on voices here. And then where we have search library of voices, go ahead and click on a language first. So let's say the language we want to check out or, find an accent for is English. So let's go with English. And then underneath the accent, click on the drop down menu here. And you can now select an American accent, an Australian accent, a British accent, a Canadian accent. So let's go with British. Now, a list of British speaking models will be shown. And now all you need to do is go ahead and select any of them to use. So where we have use voice, go ahead and click on this option here. Click on this use voice option. Now, once you've selected a voice and you decide to use it, you'll be taken to the text to speech menu where you can simply enter your script and it's going to read the script accordingly in that voice and accent. All right, so for the stability, you could take it down to creative, or you could take it up to robust, or you could keep it at a natural British speaking voice, and then just simply click on generate speech. You can also add another speaker, like if you want to have a full blown conversation within your script, you can do that as well. All right.